Bitcoin breaks $123,000 ATH, CZ calls it just a fraction, is now a good time to buy. Bitcoin. Changpeng Zhao. Bitcoin breaks $122,000 ATH, wiping out $1.3 billion shorts as CZ calls it just a fraction, while BTC becomes world's fifth largest asset at $2.39 T market cap. Crypto journalist. Hassan. Crypto journalist. Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 2 hours ago. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Bitcoin has shattered all previous records by reaching a new all-time high ATH of $123,091, prompting former Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao CZ to put the milestone in historical perspective by calling it just a fraction of what's to come. CZ reminded followers that after buying Bitcoin in 2014, it took 3 years to reach $1,000 again in January 2017, noting that today's excitement over current highs will seem minimal in future years. Bitcoin ATH wiped out $1.3 billion short positions. The latest surge liquidated $1.3 billion in short positions in less than 60 seconds as Bitcoin skipped past $120,000 and went directly to $121,000. At $2.39 trillion market capitalization, Bitcoin has now officially become larger than Amazon and ranks as the world's fifth largest asset by market value. Crypto markets have added $1.2 trillion in market cap since President Trump paused reciprocal tariffs on April 9, with Bitcoin gaining $15,000 since the House passed Trump's Big Beautiful Bill on July 3. The Kobayashi letter describes Bitcoin as entering crisis mode, with the asset making new all-time highs multiple times daily. The historic rally comes as institutional capital can no longer ignore Bitcoin, with family offices, hedge funds, and conservative funds looking to allocate approximately 1% of assets under management to BTC. Bitcoin ETF IBIT reached a record $76 billion in assets under management in under 350 days, compared to gold ETF GLD taking over 15 years to reach the same milestone. Historical context supports continued bull market momentum. Bitcoin's current rally maintains historical patterns where multiple 30 to 40% corrections occur during bull markets, yet the largest correction in the cycle has been only 23.48%. Previous major corrections include the 2017 to 2018 crash from $20,000 to $3,200, representing an 84% decline, and the 2021 to 2022 drop from $69,000 to $15,600, marking a 77% correction. The 2013 to 2015 bear market saw Bitcoin fall 87% from $1,100 to $152 following the Mt. Gox collapse, while 2017 experienced 4 significant corrections ranging from 29 to 40% before the final run to $20,000. Recent cycles show corrections becoming less severe, often staying within 20 to 25% ranges during bull runs. Historical data reveal that Bitcoin typically experiences corrections triggered by regulatory news, macroeconomic shifts, exchange failures, or profit-taking after rapid increases. The current bull market's largest pullback of 23.48% remains well within normal parameters compared to previous cycles, which have included multiple corrections of 30 to 40%. In fact, the Kobayashi letter noted in its analysis that the S&P 500 in Bitcoin terms has declined 15% year-to-date and 99.98% since 2012. Bitcoin's superior performance has proven itself to be both a growth asset and an inflation hedge during monetary expansion periods. With that, it's safe to say that there's no wrong time to buy Bitcoin, but there's always a best time, which is now or after a correction. Technical analysis confirms exponential growth pattern. Bitcoin has achieved something never seen before by breaking above a 7-year trendline on the monthly chart, representing resistance that contained every bull market top since 2018. The breakthrough is a massive shift, given that Bitcoin has entered uncharted territory both technically and fundamentally. Furthermore, the weekly logarithmic chart reveals Bitcoin's adherence to a powerful long-term exponential growth curve intact since 2023. Bitcoin is currently trading within an ascending channel. Projections extend toward $200,000 plus by December 2025, with exponential acceleration expected as price moves higher. Interestingly, this rally has seen Bitcoin close its highest daily and weekly candles in its history simultaneously. The lack of significant upper wicks suggests sellers were unable to push prices down from highs, confirming sustained buying pressure across multiple timeframes. The logarithmic scale reveals Bitcoin's actual exponential growth pattern where successive bull markets reach exponentially higher peaks. The mathematical progression has remained consistent across multiple cycles, and buying now poses no long-term risk. Record-breaking closes on both daily and weekly timeframes typically occur during the most powerful phases of bull markets. This coordination across multiple timeframes indicates that both short-term and medium-term participants align in their bullish outlook. The combination of technical breakouts and fundamental catalysts positions Bitcoin for continued appreciation toward $150,000 to $200,000 targets over the coming months. However, if the unexpected happens, a less than 30% correction might occur and present even more opportunity to buy low. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Picoin and Cardano by the end of 2025. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Picoin by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Investors on high alert for July 14, 2025. What's next for XRP? Press releases. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Shiba Inu by the end of 2025. Press releases. Crypto price prediction today, July 11th. XRP, Picoin, Dogecoin. Price analysis. Picoin price prediction, crashing toward all-time low. Is PI going to $0? 2 days ago. By Hassan. Best crypto to buy now in July 2025, top crypto to invest in. 4 days ago. By Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in July 11, 2025. 2 days ago. By NSS, Tavares. 13 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025, pre-sale crypto list. 2 days ago. By Alan Draper. 11 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in July 2025. 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 4 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 2 hours ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.